Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to download Linux Fedora 40 ISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Fedora Linux is a Linux distribution based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Fedora Workstation comes with the GNOME desktop environment by default, but you can install Fedora preconfigured with any of the listed desktop environments, such as KDE Plasma, Cinnamon, Xfce, and more. And it uses DNF as its package manager. To download Fedora Linux, open your preferred browser and search for Fedora Linux. Proceed to the official Fedora website. Now, go to the Get Fedora menu and click on Workstation, then click on Download Now. Choose your version and click on the download icon. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You also have the option to edit the file name if desired. Finally, click on Save, and the Fedora Linux ISO file will begin downloading. Alternatively, you can go to the Get Fedora menu, then Spins, and choose your spin of the distribution to install Fedora preconfigured with any of the listed desktop environments. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.